how we can fix the missing text message effect option in Messages on iPhone 17. So if you open the keyboard and you don't have the A letter with slashes that is used in order to generate message effects, then the reason why you don't have it might be quite simple. You can actually use these message effects only for or with those numbers that are also using iPhone devices. So if the number was not registered by Apple, then you won't be able to use the effect. But if I try to, for example, send a message to myself, to my own phone number, then now, as you can see, this option is available. And another thing that is also worth mentioning is that in some cases you have to go to settings. So even if you are certain that you are texting a person that also uses iPhone, if you still don't have that option, then in that case you want to go to settings and open general. Then over here go to general again and choose keyboard, and over here you might want to check if predictive text is enabled. Apparently this can be the reason why this option is not available. And even if that option is available in your case and you still don't have it, another solution might be to receive a message from that phone number. So unfortunately, you will have to get the message from another person in order to be able to use this feature. I'm not sure why is it the case, but I guess it is just some kind of bug that prevents us from having this option. Or alternatively, you can also try to just simply create a new message if possible, and send it to the phone number that you were intended to send to over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.